On October 4th, 2024, officers were called to a woman's job to place her under arrest for hitting her boyfriend.
Hello. Are you Georgia?
Yes.
I need to speak with you.
One of my minds, please.
What happened with you and Aaron today?
We were in the car. He was pulling my hair.
Pulling your hair?
Yeah, he was pulling my hair. I pushed his face away from me. Yeah. Not much happened.
So, when he was pulling your hair...
I have a baby with you. I hope he don't end up like you.
Yeah, I know.
Right there. He didn't really muff his face. He hit him pretty good. So you're under arrest. Let you gather your things, but you gotta come with us.
Right now?
Right now. It's a domestic violence case. I don't have a choice.
But it didn't even hurt. I didn't hurt him. He was fine. He was pulling my hair.
I've been presented with evidence of a domestic battery. I don't have a choice. You're under arrest.
I have a whole work day to do today.
You're not going to be working today. You're going to have to go in front of a judge. You're under arrest.
When do I go in front of a judge?
As soon as we can get you there.
Today? Tomorrow?
Possibly today. Depends on, once we take you to county, it's going to be on if other county can get you in front of. I don't know what time the bond courts are today. So,
Okay.
what do you got to get? You got to get a phone?
Yeah.
Hello. I'm very sorry to do this to you, and I'm very sorry to do this to you, but she has to come with us.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You need me?
I just have to call my clients.
I can try to help you do that.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just.
Can I use my phone while I'm in the car?
No. No, I call something too.
Oh my god.
I can't finish the haircut.
I know. I feel so bad.
I'll try to handle it. I'll try
Okay.
to call it.
This is my whole day.
Okay. You have a purse or anything?
Nope.
It's in her car.
Yeah, it's in my car.
Do you want me to
Do I
take-
need?
I'm so sorry.
won't need it.
Do you want me to do anything with your car? Or?
No. My keys are in here.
Where's
Okay,
your keys?
sorry. Okay.
In here.
Why don't you grab them in case you know.
I can drive to your car too. Well, I don't know.
What about his haircut?
It might be.
Yeah. I just have to leave it, I guess. I'm so sorry.
What's that?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I can't cut hair, so you definitely don't want me to.
No, that's all right.
I'm so sorry.
Figure something out.
Yeah, I apologize. I just there's circumstances that are beyond my control here.
Gotcha.
I'm trying to get out in a moment.
Okay. Or you can just do it here. If it's fine.
Okay, maybe I'll try.
Try calling me.
Okay.
I know.
Do we need to reach out to anyone for you?
No.
Can I walk with you just to the door?
You can.
I'm gonna take this. I'm talking to one of the clients. Don't cry. It's gonna be okay.
I just have a really busy day today.
I know, but listen, they gotta do their job too. They're not bad guys. They're trying to do their job.
Yeah, if it was, like.
What's the offense,
This is a case
Because I hit him in the face.
Okay, but hitting is wrong.
with domestic violence cases, I don't have any discretion.
Yeah, he's a jerk. I'm
Such a.
You just handle your business. Call me.
Okay.
You need bail money? Call us. We'll
I
help
don't.
you.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
If you could just call my clients, I'm so sorry.
Don't. It's gonna be okay. Again, they're just doing their job, honey. You know what I mean? They have
Alright.
to. And then, don't hit people.
Okay. Love you. Thank you.
Don't handle it. Bye, gentlemen.
Thank you. Okay, tuck your keys and phone in your pocket. Hold on, don't go.
Can you not, can I just walk into the car?
No. Fortunately, we gotta do it this way, okay? Well, you know, let me double lock them so they don't tighten up on you and hurt your wrists. Good thing I can get a whole finger in there. Get my whole thumb in there. So they shouldn't be squeezing you. They're gonna put pressure on you in certain spots. I want to make sure they don't tighten up anymore. All right, I'm gonna hold on to you, not because I think you're gonna run, because if you fall, you're not gonna be able to catch yourself. You wanna go down the ramp or you wanna go down the stairs?
Let's go right here.
All right. Hold on, lean forward for a second.
Is it possible for me to like see the judge today? Like,
We're gonna try.
What do you think?
I don't know when they. I don't know what times they do that.
don't?
No. Well, they do it at 8 in the morning. I don't know if they have an afternoon one on Friday. So. We'll
Oh,
get you,
it's Friday.
yeah. So we'll get you in if we can get you. And they have one, then.
Please, like
Do whatever we can.
Please.
It's only gonna take a few minutes. We're not that far.
I really hope I can see a judge today, sir. I really do.
I'll have to find out if they have an afternoon session. Should
This isn't fair. He was pulling my hair. He was acting like he was gonna hit me in the face.
So I'm gonna document that in my report. The problem is that I have video evidence.
So do I like bond out today or something?
The judge has to set your bond. That's why you have to see the judge.
I really hope I see him today. Because he doesn't see people Saturdays or Sundays, right? I don't think.
They have bond court set. Well, they used to have bond court Saturday morning. I think this is.
I want to have it today. I have so much money to make today. Oh my God.
All right, take your time. We're gonna take those off. We're gonna take those off in just a minute.
Thank you for being nice.
Okay, let's face the wall on your left. All right. I didn't know if you were in here or not. I'm still rolling.
Yes,
Nothing that'll stick me or poke me or anything. Any drugs anywhere on you? Okay. Put your forehead against the wall. Take a step back with your feet and spread your legs out wide. Just need to keep your head on the wall. Okay. Do you understand I gotta pat you down and make sure you're not bringing anything in?
Yes.
Yep. How old are you?
25.
And have you ever been here before?
Yes. 7 years.
Okay. Take it.
Do you think I can see the judge today, or do you know?
More than likely.
What time do they have? What time's
Afternoon is 2:30.
Oh, yeah, you get time.
Yeah. You get time to get everything done and get you over there.
Do I have to change my clothes?
I don't think so.
Not here, you won't.
Definitely not here, and I don't think they do that unless the judge says you have to stay.
Okay.
Okay. So you take some deep breaths and try to relax, all right? I'm going to take one handcuff off.
Okay.
Okay, all right. And then keep your head on the wall. Thank you.
When you were here last time, how many times have you been here?
Once.
Once, and what was that for?
I had a warrant.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what was the warrant for?
I think it was just for missed traffic court.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you never been arrested for anything like this before?
No, never like this. No. Usually it's him. He's always
No, yeah,
always
so
been
I-
the abuser. Always.
I saw you had order of protection.
Okay, can you put your arm up on this side? Thank you. Okay, go ahead and slide your shoes off.
Oh, I can do that.
Okay. Go ahead and put your stomach up against the wall, so you come forward. And you're going to bend your left knee, bring your foot up so I can check the bottom of it. Right there. Okay, go ahead and turn around, face me. Nice deep breath, okay? It's an easy process to it, all right? And then you take your little fingers, open up your mouth real wide, pull your top lip up, bottom lip down, and then lift your tongue to the roof. Is there anything you can take out of your mouth? No? Okay. I'm going to need all your jewelry. We're going to put it in a plastic bag.
Can you help
Yeah,
me?
sure. Maybe. Gloves in the way. Two different kinds of clips on here. There we go. That one worked better for me.
These might take a while. They cost, right?
No worries.
The screw ones.
Take your time. I'm just messing with you.
Sorry.
It is Oktoberfest. They have a styling clothing contest.
No, I haven't seen that.
They have festivals where they have people pull out.
The big old jug of beer.
And what do you win?
I don't know. Probably on the beer. I actually not participated, but